Siyempre, happy kasi nakamit natin yung champion for the World Series sa softball. It's a big history po ito ng softball since na nag-champion po is 2003. And the manager is my dad and mayroon siyang daughter na second base din po. And now I'm the manager for 20 years na nag-champion rin po tayo, and I have a daughter here, second base din po. Kasi yung dad ko, sabi niya is, yun nga, he build the team sa Bacolod City in Paglaong Village po. And start on 1998 until 2005.
Kumbaga ang tagal.
Yes po.
Oo.
Then we start again 2011, 12, 13, and 14 that year sa Iloilo City naman po. Then naglaro naman sa World Series, nag-third place. Then we start again 2018 or 17. Then nag-pandemic. So we stopped train, but nag-continuous. Then 2022 last year, continuous po yung training, hard training ng mga player. Then last year third place po tayo, but now we made it.
Yeah.
We focus naman especially kasi before the tournament, nag-i-scout po kami doon sa kalaban, of course, kung saan sila mahina. So, yun nga, sabi ko sa pitcher, sabi ko rin sa catcher na ganito yung ibibigay na bola para hindi nila matamaan.